Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my vlog. So today's video guys is going to be a unboxing of my new coach trainers that I bought like a few months ago. This was like in September, so it's only now that I'm going to do a unboxing video. Let's open the box. The coach box is what it's got like a coach print on this box, and then it comes with this shoe box. So I've got the receipt and the foot care booklet. I love the box. Look at the box, it's so nice. I like the black shoe box. Let me move this away so then we can see a bit more. So yeah, that is the shoe box. Okay, I might actually keep this box. Well, I will keep the box. I like it. It's so nice. It's a shame to just throw it away. Yeah. So I got that's what the trainers description. It's a low line leather low top, and it says they're size 8. I think that's the American size, but UK size, I am a size 6. So let's see. I haven't tried it, so I don't really know. Hopefully it fits me. So yeah, it's got this coach wrapping paper. Oh, but now I remember what it looks like on the website. That's what it looks like. Let me get it out. So that's what it looks like, guys. It's got like pink all around on the sole, pink inside, and then the white leather. It's got the C stitching on the side, and then the coach name at the back. So let me just get this one out. It looks like that. It's got that coach logo. It's so pretty. And now I am actually going to try these trainers and see if it fits. Is American size, it's a size 8, but I'm a size 6, UK size. Let's see. Try it. Nope. I think I need to loosen this up a bit. Whoops. Ooh. a bit more room inside, so which is nice. So that means it is perfect size, the size 8, US size 8. So yeah, it's nice, and yeah, it actually feels nice to wear. Let me just tie this up. And then put this other one on. Yeah, I'm so excited. I do like white trainers. So if you look at my previous video, I bought a white leather Converse, and that was really comfortable. So I always wear it. So now I've got another pair of white trainers, so I can alternate my white shoes. So, because I always wear my Converse. Let me just tie this. I actually got a joggers today, so just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it is nice and it is nice and comfy. Yeah, and very light, so this is good for like walking for like far away or walking for a long time. But yeah, I'm quite happy. Well, I'm really happy with these trainers. I'm actually glad that I bought it. So if you see the back, it's got that nice pink design. So yeah, so that's my new trainers, guys. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing. If you like my video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.